Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your router firmware version on a Netgear Nighthawk, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your router firmware version on a Netgear Nighthawk, start by connecting your computer or mobile device to the router's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in the router's default IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't changed them, the default username is admin and the default password is password. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Advanced tab in the main menu. Select Administration from the drop-down options. In the Administration section, click on Firmware Update or Router Update. Here, you will see the current firmware version displayed on the screen. Make a note of this version for future reference. To check if a newer version is available, click on the Check button if it's present. If the firmware is up to date, a message will notify you. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Ensure that your router remains powered on during the update process. After the update is complete, the router may reboot automatically. Once rebooted, you can revisit the firmware section to confirm the installation of the new version. Close the browser once you have finished verifying and updating your firmware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.